Okay, hands behind your neck, elbows forward. Good. Hold that position. Now bring your elbows together and tuck your chin toward your chest. Perfect. Hold it right there. Take a deep breath in for me. And now full breath out. Let it all go.